Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today this video I will teach you how you can log in MOI mobile application from your UAE Pass. Yes friend, most people need to log in MOI application for their license copy, vehicle permit and check their fines, black points, everything you can do from that application. Today this video I will teach you step by step how you can log in and see your license, black points, accident, vehicles, register vehicles and your date of try, everything you can do from that application. I will teach you step by step how you can do that process. Before start this video, if you are new in my channel, my name is Rauf and you are watching Rauf Kashmiri official. I have one other channel where I have 22,000 subscribers, but that channel have Urdu language videos. But this channel I make for that people who will understand English language. So if you are English understand, you subscribe my this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, you get more videos in English language. So friends, let's go to mobile screen and I will teach you how you can log in MOI mobile application. So guys, we come to mobile screen. First of all, you need to download two application in your mobile. First application is UAE Pass. You need to download in your mobile and make it here account and make your account is verified like this. I will open here my UAE Pass and my account is, you see here, verified account. Before I make videos how you can make UAE Pass account and how you can make verified your UAE Pass account. Okay, first of all, this one application you have to in your mobile. After that you need to download MOI UAE mobile application. Just open it. When you open this application, you see like this interface. After that you need to click here simple login. When you click login, after that you see here sign up with UAE Pass. Just click here and you go to your UAE Pass mobile application, and after that they will ask you, just click here confirm. After that you need to enter your UAE Pass pin. When you enter your UAE Pass pin, then after there will take little loading, then after that your application will be logged in. See here, my application was is login and my license is showing here. I will click here and I will get my license copy. Like this you can get here everything from your license copy, your fines, vehicles, everything you get here, your black point, see, accident, everything you get here. Anything you want to do here you can do from here. I hope you like this video and you will be understand this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.